Hello everyone, my name is Zawal Rajapati. Today in this video, we will learn class 9, theorem number 7.2. In this theorem, angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, let us see. We can draw one figure like this. Okay, so here okay, A, B and C, angle opposite to equal sides in an isosceles triangle. Look at this. Suppose this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means that kind of triangle which has a two sides are equal, and here two sides AB and AC are equal. Okay, then what happened? Angles opposite to equal, that means AB opposite this angle. Okay, angle of C is opposite to AB. Similarly, angle B is opposite to AC. So in this theorem, we need to prove that this angle and this angle both are equal. Okay. So we know in every theorem, first we need to write given. So write down given. How can we write? Look at here. An isosceles triangle. So first we can write triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, where AB and AC are equal. Okay, so this is our given. Then what happened? We will write in to prove angles opposite. That means here opposite angle are angle of B and angle of C. Both are equal. So how can we prove that? Okay. Look at here. In this theorem, we can prove by construction. First, draw an bisector, okay, like this. Bisector of A. We know that if I draw bisector here, then this angle and this CA both will be equal, and this is I will take it D. Okay. Now, so we can write construction, draw bisector of angle A which intersect on BC where at the point D, at D. Okay. Now third part is proof. This is so simple. How can we prove that? Look at here. Now we have a two triangle. Am I right? One triangle is this one and another triangle is this one. So we can write in triangle BAD, in triangle BAD and in triangle CAD, triangle CAD. First one, what? AB is equal to AB, this line is equal to this line, AB is equal to AC, and this is our given. Okay, here you write here given. We already know that if we want to prove that two triangles are congruent, then we need minimum 3 requirements. Okay, so first one is AB equal to AC. Now what will be the second one? Second one is BAD. Angle of BAD is equal to angle of CAD. Am I right? Look at here, angle of BAD, that means this angle. Okay, BAD, and angle of CAD, that means this one. Both will be equal. Why? Because of AD is our bisector. Am I right? So I write here angle of BAD is equal to angle of CAD by construction. Okay, now third one is what will be? Look at here, in triangle BAD and triangle CAD, this AD is common. So write down AD is equal to AD because of common. Now we have 3 proof. First one side, second one angle, third one side. So by side angle side rules, means SAS rules, we can prove that triangle, which triangle? BAD is equal to triangle CAD. Okay, triangle BAD is congruent, is congruent to triangle CAD. That's why by CPCT, in this question we need to prove that this angle B and C both are equal. Am I right? So by CPCT we can say that which ABD, by CPCT, ABD is equal to ACD. Angle of ABD is equal to angle of ACD. Hence, angle of B is equal to angle of C. We proved. Okay.